So if you're entered to win that chainsaw, the Vevor 50cc, 60cc, whatever it was, you're going to want to watch the rest of this video. So today we're going to make some firewood, but first we got a snow blow. I thought I'd show you guys what I do to get rid of the snow here in wonderful New York. So it's about 15 degrees this morning. We got a few inches of snow last night, and last night somebody bought my last bundle, so I've got to make some more. But in order to do that, I've got to snow blow out the stand, warm up the tractor, and lastly, at the end of this video, I'm going to give away that chainsaw. So this will be the Vevor 5K chainsaw giveaway. I wish everybody good luck, and I hope you enjoy the saw when you get it. Quickly, I will not be asking for any money. I'm going to pay the shipping, so if anybody reaches out to you, says that they need money for shipping or any other reason for any of the things that I'm giving away, it's complete crap. Don't do it. The snow's not very deep. We only got a few inches. It's fluffy stuff. It won't take long, but I like to keep the stand blowed out so that when the customers show up and they don't have to trudge through the snow, I'm more likely to sell things, I think. I gotta find some gloves. My hands are freezing. So that's why I cover my firewood, because it's nice and dry and not frozen together in a big lump. And if I hadn't covered it, it would have been, because we've got some rain before we got some snow, which makes for some ice. So I bought this bundler from a local guy that builds them in his garage, and it was 800 bucks. It's a little rough around the edges. It needed a little TLC. It's not as nice as the John's Welding, but it saved me some money. 1 cubic foot. I do have some inserts that I've made to make it 3/4 cubic foot. I've added things like this file box to keep my labels in. Keeps a couple crescent wrenches to keep the tension tight on the wrap. This wrap cutter, which just hangs there on that magnet, which seems silly, and a lot of guys just rip it with their hands, but that speeds everything up, and then it's all right here. I don't have to go looking for it, which is fantastic. Kindling cracker. I honestly don't use that as much as I thought I would. The more I split bundle firewood, the better I'm getting at making sure there's a variety of sizes in there so that I'm not always searching for the little pieces, but it is nice to have if I do have to crack something down real quick. I have it. I don't know. Let's go get these loaded up. I'm freezing. We'll go in the garage. We'll talk about this giveaway. Here is a fine example of emissions controls and us saving the world. Green energy at its finest. I'm done working, and the tractor's sitting in the driveway, ripping at 2,500 RPM. Because I wanted to do a regen. Right as soon as I pulled up to the bundles, the regen light came on, and now I've got to let it sit there and do its thing. And I'm doing my part to save the world. All right, so we are back in the garage. I have the laptop out here. I'm going to use the laptop with a random comment picker to pick all of the winners. I'm going to do 3 winners. I'm going to give away the Vevor saw. I'm going to give away chainsaw bar dressing tool and a chainsaw bar tip greaser. And along with these 2, you can pick a hat of any color you want. Black and white, red and black, blue and black, pink and black, or black and gray. And third prize will get just a hat. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to pick a winner. You're going to watch this video. You're going to email me. My email is down below in the description. And then you send me your contact information, and we'll go from there. I'm not asking for any money. I'm not asking for anything. I'm not going to reach out to you. You're going to contact me. So if you get a message or some other email or something, it's a scam, don't answer it. You email me. That's the way this is going to work. It's going to be the email that you're going to get back is going to be from this email address down below, and that's how it's going to work. So we're going to screen record this off the laptop. New screen recording. Entire screen. Record. We'll go to YouTube. We will go get the shareable link, copy to the clipboard. That makes it easier. Paste. There we go. So anything goes. No, we're going to filter it with, we're going to use a keyword filter. So the keyword filter is going to be 5K. I said in the video, 4 videos ago or so, that I need Vevor 5K, and people put 5K Vevor or Vevor 5K, so I want everybody to be included. So we're just going to use 5K. So we will put 5K in the filter, and we are going to hit continue and see what we come up with. So we have 7 total comments, so that's pretty good odds of winning a chainsaw, to be honest with you. This is winner number 1 we're going to pick. And winner number 1 is John Stobbs, SCPA 8081. And so John, email me, let me know what you want. If you don't want the saw, you can get the chainsaw bar dressing tool and the greaser, or in a hat, or you can get just a hat. You tell me what you want, and then the next winner number 2 will get the option of what's left, and then winner number 3 will get what's left, and that's it. So let's pick winner number 2. Winner number 2 is a Log Whisperer. So congratulations, Log Whisperer. And then winner number 3 is going to be Courtney L 8899. So congratulations to the winners. I look forward to hearing from you. Like I said, email me. So my email is in the description. I'm not going to reach out to you. You're going to reach out to me. And like I said, I will be asking for nothing. So just email me, send me your contact information. We'll figure it out. I will get this stuff shipped off to you. And if you're interested in winning something in the future, subscribe. That's all I can tell you. I'm sure other companies, or maybe Vevor, will send me something else, and I'd be glad to ship it all off to you guys. So either way, hopefully you enjoyed the video today. I know it's not the most captivating stuff as far as giveaways go, but a little snow blowing, a little bundle making. We had fun. So hope to see you in the next one. Take care, guys. We'll see you.